Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today I have a very incredibly good and crazy news for you all, and you are absolutely going to like it a lot. Yep. As you know, we use Character.AI to chat with our AI characters. It's pretty fun. But the problem is, I get really annoyed and mad when I encounter the filters on Character.AI. It completely destroys my awesome roleplays. It's very sad to see. So that's why I found a very awesome Character.AI alternative. And this Character.AI alternative is completely free to use. Yeah. This platform is called StoryChat. StoryChat is an AI character chatting and role-playing platform where you can chat with tons of favorite characters. It's a pretty famous platform and a lot of people loves this platform a lot. I made a whole video about it previously and everyone absolutely loved it. On StoryChat, you can chat with your character for absolutely free. And they have no filters too. So no matter how spicy your roleplays are, you can do it here. Pretty awesome, right? But I have even more awesome news for you all. Actually, StoryChat has just now launched their brand new version update. And this update brings a whole lot of new bug fixes and a very new UI too. So now you will be able to chat with all your favorite characters without any issues. The UI also looks super good too. And the chats are even more immersive now. Also, StoryChat has even released brand new AI models on their platform. The brand new DeepSeek V4 versions are now also available on the platform too. So now you can use these latest AI models to make your roleplays even more crazier and superior. And hey, I have another news for you all. StoryChat is now holding a very interesting community event too for everyone, and you can participate in it too. The title of the post is Try StoryChat, Roast It, Get 7 days of sub. Inside this, they have written that we're giving 7 days of sub to 1,000 people who try StoryChat and leave honest feedback. Not positive feedback, honest feedback. Post your thoughts somewhere public, then send us your StoryChat username and the link to your post/review. It can be on r/StoryChat, another subreddit that allows it, or a blog, or YouTube, or any other social media. If something feels broken, generic, confusing, or just bad, say it. That's the point. Please mention in your post that you may receive 7 days of sub for leaving honest feedback. This was everything that they have posted. This is so cool. You can put your honest feedback about this platform. I have never seen any platform that wanted honest feedback from the users so much. This really shows how good StoryChat is becoming. I am really impressed with this event. You should definitely try StoryChat and leave your honest feedback too. And that is the new update that StoryChat has just released on their platform. I am really happy with everything here. You should definitely give it a try too. What are your thoughts on this new feature, everyone? Tell me in the comments. I will be ending the video now. Make sure to like and subscribe for more AI chatbot platform-related news. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.